Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Turning your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot is an incredibly useful feature, allowing you to share your mobile internet connection with other devices like laptops, tablets, or even other smartphones. I'll show you how to exactly do that today. The first method is using the quick settings panel. This is the quickest way to toggle your hotspot on and off after initial setup. Just swipe down from the very top of your screen to open the notification shade. Now swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Just locate the hotspot tile, look for an icon labeled hotspot or mobile hotspot or sometimes a specific Wi-Fi symbol with an arrow. Mine is right here, you can see it's written hotspot. Simply tap the hotspot tile, it will usually change the color to indicate that it's active. Once activated, you might see a notification indicating the hotspot is on and how many devices are connected. That's method one done. Let's go to the other method. This is using now the settings menu. This is for setup and configuration. This is where you will go to configure your hotspot name, password, security, and other advanced settings. Just open the settings by clicking on it in here. Now you'll be brought in here. Just navigate to network and internet or an option written hotspot and tethering option like mine here, or even look for connections if you don't have any of these and click on it. Now go ahead and click on Wi-Fi or personal hotspot or mobile hotspot. This depends on the type of phone that you have. You'll now be brought in here. You can now configure your hotspot. Just turn on the hotspot in here. Just toggle the switch at the top of the screen to turn the Wi-Fi hotspot on. If you click on this, you'll be brought in here where you can change the hotspot name. Just tap on hotspot name or network name to change it. This is the name other devices will see when searching for Wi-Fi networks. Choose something recognizable. For the password, tap on password. Just use a strong password, at least 8 characters, mix of upper or lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This is crucial for security. Do not use none for security unless you absolutely know what you're doing. Now, another thing is security. This is usually set to WPA2 personal by default, which is recommended. Avoid WEP as it's outdated and insecure. For AP band, which is advanced, some phones allow you to choose between 2.4 gigahertz and others 5. So 2.4 means slower speeds, but better range and penetration through walls, more compatible with older devices. For 5 gigahertz, it's faster speeds but shorter range and less penetration, good for close range, high bandwidth use as well. If you come back here, we have an option written turn off hotspot automatically. Many phones have an option to automatically turn off the hotspot if no devices are connected for a certain period. Just enable this to save your battery. Another thing to do now is to connect other devices to your hotspot. Once your Android hotspot is active, follow these steps on the device you want to connect. First of all, open Wi-Fi settings. On the other device, I'm using laptop. Just the laptop, tablet, or another phone, go to its Wi-Fi settings. Now scan for networks. The device will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Find the hotspot name that you just set up on your Android phone in the list of available networks and tap on it. When prompted, enter the password you configured for your Android hotspot. Go ahead and click on connect. The device should now be connected to the internet through your Android phone's mobile data. Other tethering options are these ones. Besides Wi-Fi hotspot, Android phones also offer other ways to share internet, often found under the same hotspot and tethering menu. The first one is USB tethering. Connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable. This is generally faster and doesn't drain your phone's battery as quickly as the computer can even continue charging it. It's ideal for a single computer connection. Another option is Bluetooth tethering. Connect your phone to another device via Bluetooth. This is the slowest option and is only available for very low bandwidth tasks, but it consumes the least amount of battery on your phone. These are some of the ways to troubleshoot common hotspot issues. First of all is when you have something like no internet on connected devices, just ensure that your Android phone has a strong mobile data signal. Check if mobile data is actually turned on your Android phone. Restart your Android phone and try again, and verify that your mobile plan includes hotspot usage. Another issue is when you see something like cannot find hotspot name, make sure the hotspot is enabled on your Android phone. Double check the hotspot name you just configured and ensure that other devices Wi-Fi is turned on and scanning. Another issue is incorrect password. Just re-enter the password carefully, paying attention to case sensitivity. Temporarily try changing the hotspot password on your Android phone to something very simple to rule out password issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reliably turn on your Android hotspot and share your internet connection with ease, making your phone a truly portable connectivity hub. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.